Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Anki for language vocab version. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Anki for language vocab revision, then all you can do is simply go to Anki. So once you're in your Anki, you can simply log in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you need to create space the repetition flashcards from real world sentence, front loading the word phrase in the target language and putting the meaning, audio, and maybe an image on the backside. Then you can review it daily, rating your recalls like again, hard, good, easy to build long-term memory efficiently. You can focus on context, use the basic and reversed card type for bidirectional learning, and don't add too many new words daily to avoid overload. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.